Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hosneara Khatun and my ID nong is 120130006. I am the student of Department of Chemistry from Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topics are primary standard substance, secondary standard substance and electromagnetic radiation. Let's see, what is primary standard substance? A primary standard substance is a reagent that is extremely pure, stable, and has no water of hydration and has a high molecular weight. Here I give some example of primary standard substances. These are sodium carbonate, sodium oxalate, sodium tetraborate, potassium dichromate, potassium bromate, potassium iodate, etc. Let's come to the properties of primary standard substances. The properties are readily available, low reactivity, high purity, high stability, high molecular weight, non-hygroscopic, low toxicity, and inexpensive. These all are the properties of primary standard substance. Let's come to the point, use of primary standard substance. In some type of reactions, such as acid-base reactions, complex formation of reactions, precipitation reactions, and oxidation reduction reactions, in all these cases, we use the primary standard substances. And also, we use the primary standard substance to standardize the secondary standard substance and other reagents. And now we know about secondary standard substance. What is secondary standard substance? A secondary standard substance is a substance whose active agent contents have been found by comparison against a primary standards. That means it is usually standardized against a primary standard. Here I give two examples of secondary standard substance. We know HCl, that means hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide is secondary standard substance. Now come to the properties of secondary standard substance. Number 1, high reactivity. Number 2, less purity. Number 3, less stability. Number 4, hygroscopic. Now we come to electromagnetic radiation. What is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation is an electric and magnetic disturbance traveling through space at the speed of the light. There are 7 kinds of electromagnetic radiation in a electromagnetic spectrum. We can see that here. Number 1, gamma ray. Number 2, X-ray. Number 3, ultraviolet. Number 4, visible range. And number 5, infrared. 6, microwave radiation. And number 7, radioactivity. Now we come to the uses of electromagnetic radiation. In which cases we used in our daily life the electromagnetic radiation. Number 1, radio waves. Radio waves we used in radio and television. Number 2, microwaves. Microwaves are used in satellite communications and cooking food. Number 3, infrared. Infrared rays we used in electrical heater, cooking food, and infrared cameras. Number 4, visible light. Visible lights are used in fiber optic communications. Number 5, ultraviolet. Energy efficient lamps and sun tanning, we use the ultraviolet ray. Number 6, X-ray. X-ray we used in medical imaging and treatments. Thanks. Thanks, support.